Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a bar chart in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and select Insert option. Now select Chart option and here you will find this bar chart option. Click here and automatically a demo bar chart already showing here. Now select this three dot option and select Open Source option and new sheet will open. Now leave it here. Chart option and see this showing. Now also it's this bar chart. Now leave it here. First line says start team and click here. Also there 30 and 4 I'll remove this one. So remove. And I'll edit this series now. PHP Rise. I'll type here Rise. Now I'll edit this Rise option. I'll choose here on 50 on 75. I'll choose here 20 and Rise Price I'll edit here 120. Also I add a new series. Plus 200, 250 and 300. Now double click on this chart and here we will find this chart customization option and select setup option and go here series and now select add series and add mid price series or add and see this bar already created or chart. Now we'll say this chart series bar color. Select customization option and this chart style. You can see chart background color here, chart border color, also screen color, and chart style. And when this chart font and see this medium and text color also below and make it bold. See this. Also I edit series. I'll sense fish series guys and field color I choose green color and since green color already added. Also I'll sense rice field color, pink color and see this. Also you can edit here legend and horizontal axis, vertical axis and grid lines. Now go more docs option and select update and see this. Our bar chart already created. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.